In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a modal in Retool. A modal is a focused overlay that appears on top of your app to capture attention for things like forms, confirmations, or quick views. We'll walk through adding a modal frame, placing content inside it, and wiring up a button to open it, so you have a clean, reliable pattern you can reuse. First, let's add the modal frame to your app. In the Retool app editor, open the component tree so you can see everything in your layout. Click the +Add button, then go to Frames, and choose Modal Frame. Retool drops a modal overlay component into your app. By default, it's hidden, which is exactly what you want until you decide to show it. You'll see it listed in the component tree, and when visible, it sits above your page as an overlay. Next, put content inside the modal. Think of the modal like a container. It doesn't do much on its own until you add UI components. Drag in whatever you need: text for a title, form inputs, a submit button, or any other elements your flow requires, and place them inside the modal frame. If you're arranging several components, use the same alignment and spacing tools you use elsewhere in Retool to keep things tidy. Anything you put inside this frame will render only when the modal opens, keeping your main page uncluttered and your users focused. Now, let's make the modal appear with a simple button. On your main page, add a button component. Select the button, and in the Inspector panel, open Interactions or Event Handlers. Here's the setup. For the trigger, choose OnClick. For the action, select Show Modal. Then, in the modal picker, choose the modal frame you just added. That's it. With this configuration, clicking the button tells Retool to reveal the hidden modal overlay. Give it a quick try in the editor. Click the button on your main page, and the modal should open with the content you placed inside. Because the modal is hidden by default, it won't interfere with your layout until you intentionally show it. This makes it perfect for tasks that need full attention without navigating away from your current screen. To recap, you added a modal frame, placed your UI components inside it, and connected a button to show the modal on click. With this foundation in place, you can adapt the same pattern anywhere in your app where a focused, on-demand interface makes sense.